Starting a profitable SaaS business and getting your first 5 clients within 30 days is entirely possible. And in today's video, I'm going to break down exactly how you can do it. Now, the reason why I say 5 clients is because you want to be actually profitable within your first 30 days. You don't want to sign up to HighLevel. You don't want to sign up to some sort of platform and not actually make it work and not make any money within those 30 days. You don't want to be actually dipping into your savings or anything like that. So 30 days is more than enough to get your first 5 clients on board and maybe even your first 10 clients on board, depending on how much work you actually put into this. And if you do enjoy this video and you want to try this business model out here, smash that like button and drop a comment down below and I'll hook you up with a completely free, extended 30-day free trial for HighLevel itself. Usually through their website, you get a 14-day trial, but we partnered up recently, you get a full 30-day extended trial. That'll give you enough time to not only get this all up and running, but also get those first 5 clients in the door, paying you that monthly subscription of whatever price you want. Now, currently at my SaaS, I have around 40 clients paying between $97 and $497 every single month, and I'll attach some screenshots somewhere here showing some of the results and some of the income, some of the revenue and everything. So this business model definitely does work. It's just up to you whether you're actually going to put that work in. It's the same as anything. It's the same as all these other different business models that actually work. Yes, there are a lot of scams out there, but I've been doing this for the last 2 years now. I know exactly how it works, and I've also been able to teach a ton of students exactly how to do this, and some of them have even made their first 3, 4, 5, even 6K every single month doing exactly this. So yes, it does work. You just got to put the work in. Now, if you do decide to sign up for HighLevel using the extended 30-day free trial, you will get access to all my website templates, all my scripts, all my trainings, my full course, any support and mentorship that you need from me. You'll get access to literally everything so you can be on your way to your first 5, even 10K a month with this business model. So the first step is to sign up for the HighLevel trial. Again, smash that like button and drop a comment down below and I will hook you up with that extended 30-day free trial. The next thing you want to do is actually go through all the setup and everything like that. It's not that difficult. There's a few different things you need to set up, like your website templates. It's all provided from me. You got to set up a lead connector, email and phone system. This will allow you and all of your clients to be able to send emails and text messages and make calls directly from HighLevel itself. Yes, if you were to sit down and do some cold calls, you don't need to actually pull out your mobile and do it. You can just go into the HighLevel dashboard and start making cold calls directly from there. That is the easiest and the best way that you can actually get clients, alongside another few methods that I will reveal near the end of this video. Once you've got everything set up, your website is up and running and you have a way to take payments, the next thing that you want to do is either do the cold calls like I mentioned, or you want to go door to door to the local businesses in your area. And that's how I personally got my first around 5-10 clients on board, was just straight up walking into local businesses around me, showing them exactly what I can offer, maybe offering a free website or reputation management. Reputation management was the big one for me because I was able to work with the local businesses around me and help them get more positive Google reviews, but internalize and hide the negative reviews. So you can either go with the free website route or the reputation management route. They both do work extremely well. But in this video, I'm gonna show you a more tailored way that's more geared towards the actual free website option. So once you've thought of your preferred method of reaching out, and I always recommend going door to door, or if you can't go door to door, do cold calls, and the next thing down from there would be through DMs, through Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and then ultimately email at the very bottom. The reason why I say email at the bottom is because it literally takes hundreds and hundreds of emails to get sent out before you start getting any replies or booking any meetings. So if you can, go door to door. And the thing is, the night before that you decide to do all of this and actually head up all these businesses, because of what HighLevel does is you're able to create unlimited sub accounts for all your clients. What that means is, and what a sub account is pretty much an account that your client uses and logs into. Within this sub account, everything is built out in here, like their website or their email marketing or their SMS marketing, or even the reputation management. Each one of your clients will have their own separate sub account, and that's how you're able to split it up between all your different clients and everything. So your clients will only see their sub account that you've signed up for them. They won't see all your other clients, so they won't see anything else in the back end. Because you're gonna start hitting up these local businesses tomorrow, and you wanna have the website already kind of pre-built for them. And what I mean by that is, don't spend hours every single business trying to set up a website for them and change everything and add the SEO and add their images and add the different text and everything. You want to go in, to the HighLevel website where they have all the thousands and thousands of different templates in there. Choose a few from different industries, whether it's gyms or restaurants or hotels. And you want to straight up take the template, upload their logo on there and maybe change some of the text. You want to save it because tomorrow you're going to show these businesses the website that you've already built for them. Now, when it comes to actually reaching out to these business owners, whether again it's door to door or cold calls, you want to lead with the free website route. Now, obviously it's not free. They're going to be paying you some sort of monthly hosting fee, or they're going to be paying you some sort of fee to actually get everything up and running, like all the other different features within HighLevel. Now, you obviously want to be reaching out to these businesses that don't have any websites, because if they already have a website, they probably don't have much need for another website. Or maybe if they do have a website, you want to head up those businesses that just have some sort of trash website, or it's outdated and it's just not up to date. So you want to lead with that free website. Tell them you've already built it for them. And you want to tell them to get it all completely customized, like change all the other images and all the text and everything, and actually to get the website live. There's going to be some sort of monthly fee, whether it's going to be 97 a month or 150 a month or 300 a month. Obviously, if you're going on the higher end, you want to offer a ton more different features, like again, the reputation management, or give them access to automations, the email marketing, the SMS marketing. There's so many different angles that you can use when it comes to HighLevel and actually setting up your own SaaS business. But to get those first 5 clients in the door, it's definitely achievable within those first 30 days. All you gotta do is hit up a ton of local businesses around you, have the website pre-built out for them. Again, it's just the logo. Start hitting them up, show them exactly what you can do, and you wanna just bring the laptop straight in with you. Now, the most difficult and the daunting part about this is trying to figure out exactly what you wanna lead with and what you wanna say as the introduction and everything like that. You wanna tell them that you're a local student and you're doing a side business, and the side business is obviously some sort of software business or a website agency. This makes it more understandable why you've taken the initiative to build the website out for them. But if you guys want more business and a better online presence, then he can make the decision all about that afterwards. Of course, sometimes the gatekeeper isn't going to pass you through. They're going to say that they're going to take some note, or they're going to take your name down or whatever. 9 times out of 10, you're never ever going to hear back from them. So if this does happen, you want to follow up. You maybe want to walk in 2 or 3 days from now. You want to try and hit them up on LinkedIn. Or if you walked into the business and it didn't work, then you might want to try cold calling in a few days. Or if you were cold calling, you might actually want to hit up the business and just go in person, because it's the best way. It's the most direct way. It's so much better than something like Instagram DMs or cold emails, because it takes a lot of volume, a lot of scale to actually get through to them, because there's so many different things that can go wrong. In Instagram, you got the message requests, and in emails, you got the spam inbox. So when you're starting out and you're within those 30 days, you want to get those first 5 clients, you need to be very careful about where you're spending your time. You can't be wasting multiple days trying to get this website up and running. You can't be wasting days trying to get the cold email system set up and everything. So if you're starting from scratch and you want to start an actual profitable business that will in the long run generate you tens of thousands every single month, SaaS is the way to do it. Get those first 5 clients, walk into the local businesses, cold call local businesses, offer them the free website, tell them that you've already built it out for them, and to get access, they just need to pay you that monthly fee. I've not only been doing this, but all these other students of mine have also been doing exactly this. It does work, you just gotta put the work in every single day. In terms of time, it really depends on exactly what you do with your day. So if you are a student, of course, you're gonna be tied with time, or if you work a full-time job, you're not gonna have much time either. A good starting point to doing this is usually between 1 and 2 hours every single day. I like to use the weekends, like the Saturdays and the Sundays, to really get ahead. And those days I might put in 6 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours. It really depends how I'm feeling. So again, if you do want to start a profitable SaaS business and work with me one-on-one directly to get access to all my website templates, all my scripts, my courses, my free trainings, weekly coaching calls, bi-weekly guest calls, and all these other different resources and everything, smash the like button, drop a comment down below, and I will send you over the extended 30-day free trial link. And if you do have any questions, you can drop them down below or reach out to me over on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I'm looking forward to seeing all your guys' results. Make sure that you watch this video and you do take action. And just one more thing I also forgot, if you are already an existing user of HighLevel, there's going to be a link down below, and it's going to be an upgrade link where you can actually upgrade your subscription, and you will get access to all these other benefits and all these templates and all the trainings and everything. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next one.